why bathroom permits matter more than you think. Skipping a bathroom permit in Colorado isn't a shortcut. It's a gamble that could cost you thousands. Building permits sound like red tape, but they're actually your shield. Across Colorado, unpermitted work can lead to stop work orders, fines, insurance issues, or even denied home sales. Imagine having to pay for the same remodel twice, once to build it and then again to redo it legally. Here's when you need to pull a building permit: when you're moving plumbing or electrical lines, changing structure or floor plan, or adding new fixtures. Homeowners can pull their own, but they're responsible for every inspection. At HomePride, we handle permits for you. We've pulled thousands across Colorado so you can stay compliant and stress-free. Permits don't slow your project, they protect it. Talk to a remodeling specialist or download our permit-ready remodel checklist by visiting the Learning Center at homepridebath.com.